Hi pen friends, this is Sarah.
And Eve.
I've got Eve with me again today. She hasn't been in a video for a while. We're going to be swatching 12 different green inks today. The first one is Franklin Christoph Emerald 357. So Eve hasn't swatched with the Kakamari nib before. If you do it like side on the side, like this.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I like how it flows when it's on the side. This is called emerald green?
Yep.
I like it. It's a pretty color.
The next ink is Birmingham Pen Company Hall of Fame Riviera.
Ooh, this one's dark.
Yeah, and it's kind of bluer.
Yeah. It's also kind of grayer.
Yeah.
Less vibrant.
Alright, the next one is Robert Oster River of Fire.
This is weird. I thought River of Fire would be more like red or orange.
I looked up what properties this ink has, and I think it said it has pink sheen.
Ooh, we'll have to see once this dries.
Yeah.
How the sheen looks.
But it did say that this is a green ink, but it's looking very blue compared to the other ones.
Yeah, this isn't green.
Maybe when it dries, it'll look more green.
Maybe. I do like the current color that it is.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that's a dark splotch.
Okay, our next ink is the Atramentis Mint Turquoise.
Ooh.
I've had this one for a while and I really like it.
This kind of looks like a combination of the first two ones.
Mm-hmm.
This one might be my favorite. It's really pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty. And it flows really nicely. I've never had any problems with it. Alright, I did show this one a little bit in my last video, but I didn't have a swatch of it yet for our swatch book. This is Iroshizuku Sui-gyoku.
This color is what I would usually think of like a turquoise.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the next one is Forest Black.
I think that Platinum has a series of inks that are different colors with black that are just like dark versions of those colors.
Oh, this one seems very light though.
I mean, I would say it's like a subtle color. I don't know if I would call it light.
Well, yeah, it's like grayer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like a gray. Alright, now we've got Callifolio Olivastre, or Olivastre.
Well, it looks like an olive green.
Mm-hmm.
This one is like the most yellowy color.
Yeah, I tried to group them.
So far.
Like, I put the more blue greens at the top and then the yellower greens at the bottom.
Well, some of them don't feel very green at all. Some of them don't feel blue at all. Like this one, I wouldn't call it a green.
Alright, the next one is Robert Oster Crocodile Green.
Ooh.
I like that has kind of a brilliance, but it's not like, doesn't hurt your eyes.
Yeah.
Alright, now we've got Birmingham Pen Company Chlorophyll.
Ooh. We learned about that in biology.
Yeah.
It makes things green.
Mm-hmm.
But this one is a very vibrant green.
The next one's Birmingham Pen Company Shortleaf Pine.
Ooh. This is like a blue purple.
I did think it was a green, but right now it's definitely looking blue.
Yeah. A pine isn't usually blue.
Now we've got Colorverse number 15 APSC.
This one's, I think, the lightest one so far.
Yeah.
I don't really know. It would probably be hard to read writing with this.
Yeah. Let's give this one another dip and put it on a little bit more thickly so that you can see how it would be with like a wetter.
I'm gonna try like.
Yeah, this is one of my lightest inks.
Ooh.
But it's still legible when I write with it.
Oh, good.
Okay, and the last one is a shimmer ink, so I'm gonna shake the bottle a little bit. This is the bottle.
You can see on the bottom of it,
Diamine
it's
Olive Swirl.
shimmery.
So we gotta shake it up.
I don't see the shimmer right now.
Sometimes it's hard to see the shimmer until the ink is dried.
Yeah.
I need to give the pen another dip in the ink.
Yeah. This is really yellow.
I think that olive is usually a yellowy color of green.
Yeah.
We'll let those dry a little bit and then take a look at them a little bit closer. I think our swatches have dried. Let's take a closer look. So there's Franklin Christoph Emerald. It's a really nice bright color.
Yeah, I like how it's bright.
It's got some interesting like bluish shading here. And then we've got Birmingham Pen Company Hall of Fame Riviera. I really like the shading on that one too here. Sort of like a ocean green.
Yeah.
And we've got Oster River of Fire. I see a little bit of sheen there.
I see a lot of like the
sheen.
pink on the edge of that. Maybe we can put it on thick enough.
Yeah. And Mint Turquoise. I like sort of medium toned colors because when they darken in the pen you can still tell that what color they are. And then Iroshizuku Sui-gyoku. Got some nice shading there. Platinum Forest Black. Pretty subtle, but I still like it. Callifolio Olivastre. It's a nice, like, olive green. Oster Crocodile Green.
I really like the dark.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed a spot.
Yeah, you did. Birmingham Pen Company Chlorophyll. Birmingham Pen Company Shortleaf Pine.
Oh, I really like the variety of
blue.
colors.
Yeah.
That next one.
Colorverse APSC. That one, you can see it would have a lot of shading because it goes from really light to really dark.
Yeah.
And Diamine Olive Swirl. Can you see?
Sparkles.
Yeah, you can see the sparkle there.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
It's really pretty.
Alright, there they are, a wide variety of greens.
Yeah.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye, pen friends!